County leaders coming together today to share everything they know and want you to know so far about the Hepatitis A outbreak in Martin County. The disease killing some 8 people statewide since 2018, including those 2 people in Martin County we've reported on in the last few days. Treasure Coast reporter Megan McRoberts live for us with how the county plans to investigate all this. Megan?
We now know 13 cases of hepatitis A have been confirmed here in Martin County just since January, and 8 of those cases confirmed just since Monday of this week. Now the work begins to determine if a source of the sickness can be uncovered.
There is no effective source we can isolate here in Martin County.
County leaders telling us Friday there is no trend they can find yet in the 13 cases of hepatitis A confirmed around the county, but county leaders want to keep digging.
My personal direction to our staff is to see if there are some patterns. That's a logical question.
The Martin County Sheriff saying his department will help out as needed.
To help backtrack it if the State Department gets on a lead, we'll be glad to help.
And the health department says it has notified appropriate agencies to contact restaurants and grocery stores about proper hygiene practices where hepatitis A can spread.
As soon as we're able to notify them and get them engaged, we do.
The health department knew Monday that Martin County had become a high-risk county for the virus, first reaching out to the high-risk population, such as the jail. Inmates there will be offered vaccinations. But now there are concerns this is something not only putting targeted groups of people at risk. A local attorney, Jeffrey Kirsch, and his wife Nancy, dying from the virus inside their Palm City home.
I was alarmed that people that were not in the target group, we keep talking about my jail, we talk about homeless, neither one of these people fit that.
These officials want the whole community to take note.
When you have your friends and neighbors pass away, it elevates the concern.
So though officials with the health department said they knew Monday about the high risk for hepatitis A in the county, they did not say exactly why they waited until Friday today to hold a news conference. However, health officials did say that they followed policies set at the state level as to how to notify the community about a hepatitis A outbreak. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.
To help keep you and your family healthy and safe in all of this. If you take a look at this map right here, this is from the Florida Department of Health. You can see that the Tampa area had the highest levels of hepatitis A, Tampa area. So how do you get this virus? Doctors say if you are not vaccinated, you're basically at risk. Also, you need to be practicing good hygiene, washing your hands often. The symptoms, those include fever, loss of appetite, diarrhea, nausea, abdominal discomfort, and jaundice.
Most people, if they're otherwise healthy, they're not going to get sick and die from this. So that's important to note. Most people, it's just a symptomatic illness where they're going to get the symptoms that we talked about, but they're going to get better.
The incubation for hepatitis A is 28 days. Symptoms can last about 2 months. WPTV News Channel 5 was the first television station to bring you this breaking story in a mobile push alert. So go ahead and download our free app so when we have breaking details on this story or other news, we can send it right to you on your device.